Hello guys, this is Aditya Dogekar and this is my interactive music project called the Musi Jam Companion. Now this project is meant for novice performers, someone who just is starting out and probably cannot find a band to play in and wants to experiment or improvise and improve his musicality likewise. So this is the basic UI. Now it's made up of four basic components, which is one is the drum patch, the other is the chord progression patch, and there are two more patches. One which is meant for taking an input from any musical instrument, be it either a guitar or any acoustic instrument, and the fourth one is a laptop keyboard. So I'll go into each one of them one by one. So here we see the patch for the drums and the chord progressions. Now, so basically the drums are the drum beats are customized to play 1/4, 1/8 up till 130, 1/32 measures, and it's quite flexible, and you can also program it. You can also put in the beats as you want, put in the bass drum or anything as you like, just by using the basic UI. The second part is the chord progressions. Now there is a facility to take the tempo and the root note which you want to play and probably practice in to just improvise. And there is a simple chord progression patch made up of 4 chords for 4x4 time signature. I'll give you a demo. So I've set the beats at 30 and in E3, and just press. So as you can see here, you can change the drum sequences or where the drum patterns just from the UI. You can also control the volume at which you want to play the drum sequence. Okay, so this is one part, and the second part is the more interactive version, which has dynamic mapping and many-to-many mapping. So what we have done in this block is taken inputs or control parameters from the drums, and so the onsets will trigger some parameters in the other block. So this other block is basically taking two inputs. One is from the laptop keyboard, and the other is a guitar or any instrument through the laptop mic. Now, so I've designed the keyboard according to the keys of the piano, so it becomes more intuitive to play. And the synthesis algorithms for these are given here. And you can also use this as it's basically like a wobble bass. And so I've basically implemented TouchOSC to control certain modulations for the changing the timbre, like a spectral glide. So so this is coming to the final part, which is the mic. Now the mic can be quite tricky since you're taking the input, and due to external noise there can be many problems, but the good thing about it is customizable to acoustic instruments. So what this basically does is takes in the input and analyzes it for the fundamental pitch and amplitude, and based on that, it creates a simple mapping to the output, and the second is it provides uh, inputs to frequency shifts and delays, which are also controlled by the other blocks. So if you can hear that. There's also a provision for setting up thresholding values for the audio delay effect and the frequency shift effect, which comes in very handy for a beginner. You just to get the experience of how you want to perceive the sound, how you want the sound to be. Just take you could just go on a trial and error basis and figure things out, and you just venture into the realm of different timbres to get the desired sound. So this is my project. Thank you.